You're gonna come over here. Come on.
Go, Biscuit.
Come on, Biscuit.
Not that way.
Should I drag him like this? Is this okay?
Yeah, sure. It'll be fine. But if he starts coughing, then stop.
Tori, what did I tell you about giving me all that lemonade? And the dinner. Don't forget the dinner.
Come on. All right. Come on. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get the dog. Get the dog. Get the dog.
Stand for the dog. Go stand for the dog.
All right. Get the shampoo on it. Get the shampoo. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap. It's coming towards me.
Sorry.
Okay.
That might hurt him. That like.
All right. Scrub it. Scrub it. All right, Tyler. Scrub it in there. Come on. Rub it. Oh yeah. Give it, Sophie. Come on. Ah. Get it. Oh, come over. Let's try and get it. Okay.
Dude, what are you doing to my dog? You're like torturing him.
I'm sorry. Okay, rub it in. I'm scrubbing it in. I'm trying to rub it.
Good girl. You done real vacuum right now, huh?
All right, that's enough. That's enough. All right, now we got all the puppy bubbles on there. Okay.
Oh crap. No, I don't.
That might hurt him. That water.
Okay, run over here.
Yeah, that would work better.
Oh yes. Oh. Okay.
Can you get him the other side?
You guys do know this is going on YouTube, right?
Yeah. Yay. Give me those. Give me those. Give me those. All right, someone rub him down while I try to rinse him off.
Tyler, rub him down.
Rub him down, Tyler.
Tyler. Good girl. Oh boy.
That's a boy.
Good boy. Well, yeah, you like it. I got this. All right. Ian? Let him move away from the door.
Hang on, I'm trying to get him back. Hang on.
I think the dog's pleasured itself.
Having fun?
The dog pleasured itself, see? Awesome, the dog pleasured.
Whoa.
Come on. Come on, Dougie.
Does that one need a wash too?
They all do.
Look out, the dog pleasured.
If you get me wet, I'm going to kill you.
Come back, biscuits.
Oh, come on, come on.
How are we going to get the little midget dog?
I don't know. We'll get.
The Taco Bell.
Well, don't put the high beast stream or he'll fly away.
Get him with shampoo?
No, don't hit it with shampoo. All right, we gotta get the backside of the thigh.
Yeah.
That's real attractive, Tyler.
Scrub his ass.
What's that? Ah!
Ah!
I saw something inappropriate. Oh!
Oh my God!
It's not
Then stop looking at his dick.
It's what?
That's the dick I thought it was balls.
Those are.
Oh, I thought I didn't know what you're.
Oh, somebody capture him. Maybe that'll feel better.
You guys are so stupid.
Here, let me see it.
Oh, don't touch it.
Wow! Stop spraying it in the friggin'.
Hold it that way.
It looks like a piece of shit stinging below his legs.
That's the second of it.
Stop looking.
That's so nasty.
Come back, doggy dog.
Oh!
Spray the Taco Bell dog.
Don't spray water in his ass.
We're not watering his ass.
I'm sorry.
We're hoping ass blossoms will come out for you. Yes.
Yay!
Oh, Jesus Christ. There's something black there.
That's his testicles. you
Let's
idiot.
not talk about that.
Why? You feel insecure because you don't have any?
It smells fruity.
Now you sprayed my testicles.
Spray mine.
Javon, do you feel insecure because you don't have any?
Oh!
That's not racist.
Alright, come on. Now we need to like get him dried off.
Yeah, well, okay.
Alright, but now let's go get
Shampoo this one.
Yeah, all I gotta do is pull a little back.
You guys are having too much fun with this.
It might hurt him, you think?
Yeah, that hurt a little bit. Ow!
It's like lasers. Try this one.
Okay, let's try cone. Oh, yes. No, hang on. Okay.
Get scared.
Yeah, there we go. Nice little.
Ow!
Butter that.
You got water in my eye.
Oh, dang. Oh.
There.
There we go.
There we go. There's a minute. Then we gotta go after him. Someone go after him.
Yeah.
That one's a girl.
Jesus, off this. Let it go.
If you like put that towards the sky when there's sun out, it makes a rainbow.
All right, come on. Get back here.
I said when there's the sun.
Okay.
You said, shampoo them.
All right, where's the other one?
The other dogs out here. Let's
This
get
is for $90.
What the?
You said we're doing it for $30 each.
90.
90.
Yeah.
$90 each?
$67,000
We'll probably
each.
make 30.
No, really, $30 each.
No, stop asking me.
I think I'm not sure what she's going to
I'm
do.
doing
She's
it
kind of
for free.
scary.
I'm doing it for free, but if the
Genius.
money is offered.
Do we need to get us a towel? I'm gonna go ask. Stop plugging yourself.
Is that still rolling?
Yeah.
Get Pamela Anderson and Carmen Electra over here and spray them with the hose water.
Hey YouTube, you like this? You like this? You like this? You like this somersault model?
You guys are so stupid.
I wish I had a wet t-shirt, but I don't
come
have
here.
one.
You dare now?
Wow.
That dog's cute.
She's old. She's like 17.
Yeah, because I could see some black.
That hurts her. No.
Well, probably.
Oh god, now it's about to work on.
Don't kick her.
Corey, help me. Get outside.
Biscuit.
Hey, come here. Come here.
Come here, baby. Come on.
I'm trying.
Okay. Ew, ew.
Want to wash off your feet? Go ahead. There you go. There's some. Yeah.
God, I haven't been this wet since I watched that porno.
That's disgusting.
Oh god, that was so wrong. Yeah, so
Ew.
Is that? Where's the other dog?
Will
I
you
don't know.
stop spraying every... Here.
Quick, time out. My shoe's untied. Whoopsie daisy. It was Josh Pleasure itself right there and there.
Okay, well, Corey's just gonna...
Here,
Alright,
it's-
just face it outside.